at the church garage. It's the Church Avenue garage in Roanoke. No, it's the Church Street garage in Ann Arbor. Church. These are atoms. That's the motor room right there. Oh, this one's kind of small. It's slow on the leveling. This probably was something modded, honestly. Yeah, I bet it was something modded. This definitely is way too small to be original. Anyway,